Good evening, students. Few of you have requested to revise combination reaction and decomposition reactions once again. I think in one or two divisions I have not completed this in the school. So I am going to teach combination and decomposition reactions once again. Whatever I am saying and it's written, everything you have to write in the notebook. Okay, let us start. First, combination reaction. It is a type of chemical reaction in which two or more reactants combine. That means two or more reactants react with each other to form single product. That means only one product we will get. Reactants will be two or more, but product will be only one. Examples: carbon burns in oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Two reactants, one product. Hydrogen burns in oxygen to form water vapor. Two reactants, one product. Iron 2 chloride reacts with chlorine to form iron 3 chloride. Calcium hydroxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Phosphorus burns in oxygen to form phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide reacts with water to form phosphoric acid. In first two cases, both the reactants are elements. In third case, one reactant is element, one reactant is compound. In fourth case, both the reactants are compounds. So, the reactants can be only elements, or it can be only compounds, or it can be mixture of compound and element. Another example: iron reacts with oxygen and moisture to form rust. Here three reactants are there and only one product is there. Such a way you will get many examples. This is just for your understanding. Next we'll go ahead with decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is just opposite of combination reaction. So let us see what is the definition. It is a type of chemical reaction in which one reactant breaks down or splits up to form two or more new products under different conditions. Conditions in the sense in presence of energy. Now, based on the energy required, the decomposition reaction can be classified in the different ways. Let's see how we are going to classify. So, what is decomposition? Decomposition means we will have only one reactant, but products will be two or more. First decomposition, that is first type, thermal decomposition. Thermal means in presence of heat energy. Decomposition reaction takes place in presence of heat energy. There are many such reactions are there. Few are there. First, calcium carbonate solid is decomposed in presence of heat. This is the symbol of heat, to produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Similarly, solid copper carbonate decomposes to produce copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Green colored ferrous sulfate crystals decomposes in presence of heat to produce brown ferric oxide, gaseous sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, and water. Here four products are there, only one reactant. Lead nitrate crystals 2PbNO3 twice decomposes in presence of heat to produce lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Three products, one reactant. Blue colored copper sulfate crystals decomposes to produce white powder of copper sulfate and water. Nitric acid decomposes in presence of heat to produce brown color gas, that is nitrogen dioxide, water vapor and oxygen. You may get many other examples of thermal decomposition reactions. Next type, electrolysis. Here decomposition reaction takes place in presence of electricity, that is electrical energy. Very common examples are liquid water is split up or is broken down in presence of electricity to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. This experiment is already described in the textbook in detail. You have to learn the diagram of the experiment also. Second example, molten sodium chloride, that is common salt, decomposes in presence of electricity to form sodium metal and chlorine gas. Molten aluminium oxide decomposes in presence of electricity to form aluminium metal and oxygen gas. In this case also you may get other examples. You can consider those examples also. Next, photolysis. Decomposition reaction takes place in presence of sunlight. Not any other light energy, sunlight. Most common examples are solid silver chloride is broken down in presence of sunlight to form molten solid silver and chlorine gas. Solid silver chloride is white substance. When it breaks down, it forms grey colored silvery white, that is greyish white silver. Next, silver bromide breaks down in presence of sunlight to form silver metal and bromine. Mostly silver compounds undergo this type of decomposition, that is decomposition in presence of sunlight. In this case also you may get many other examples. You can consider also those examples. This is the combination and decomposition reactions. If you have any queries, you can ask in the